Oh man, time for work. Whew. Here's flight 1110 arriving. I'm working home, but I got it all covered. I'm gonna bring this in. I got my day ones ready, and here I go. Slow down. Slow down. Ah, yes. Okay. And stop. Brakes. Okay, so let's offload the bags here and take it to the bag room. Oh no, the belt's down. Have no fear. We always have the door. Sometimes technology doesn't always work in the airport. The main belt's not working, but we do have a door. And I think I got all my bags for the outbound flight. Caesar calling for Rambo. Time to get my bag count and see how I'm secure. Can I get a bag final for flight 1111? I have 4 bags. Over.
Flight 1111. You're secure with 4 bags.
Thank you. So now back to the aircraft and load our bags. Oh good, catering's here. I can see they got the almonds, chips. Ooh, the ginger snaps, and of course, lavatory service. So the plane's all ready to go, and I think we're on time. It's just ready for the pilot to push out. Okay, the purser said to close the door, and the pilot's ready to go.
Wing walker to Bloor Street.
The pilot indicates to start engine 2. I point at it. Here we go, engine 2 starting. Now to get the wing walker. Okay, so I'm ready to push, waiting for the wing walker. Oh, that's the ice. It is cold outside. So wing walker is going to come to my house at Bloor Street. Working at home is certainly fine. Okay, got the signal. It's all clear. Let's push out. Yep. Here we go. Woohoo! Oh no, I'm empty. Ah, no fear. Good. I have a new one here. That's another day working on the ramp.